Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft has announced an update to the Photos app, which is rolling out on Windows 11 across all Insider channels. But guess what? It comes as no surprise, only on Copilot Plus PCs. And that's where Microsoft's focus seems to be with most of the new AI features. And I've posted a video in that regard, and I'll leave that linked if you would be interested. Now, the first is a feature called Relight, which according to Microsoft lets you take control of lighting. So you can position up to 3 light sources. According to Microsoft, you can set the light color and set the focus point where all lights automatically point. And then over and above that, you also get brightness and intensity controls, which Microsoft says provide additional fine-tuning to achieve the desired effect. And then for quicker edits, there are built-in presets, which offer ready-made lighting styles that can be applied with a single click, according to Microsoft. And Microsoft says that Relight simplifies complex lighting adjustments into a visual, intuitive experience for correcting poor lighting or applying creative effects. So that's Relight. And then the next one is improved photo search with natural language, where Microsoft mentions you can now quickly find the photos you're looking for using your own words. So by simply entering descriptions like sunset at the beach or family outdoor fun, and photos will surface the most relevant results. So they mention you don't need to remember the exact file names or try to find what you're looking for based on other properties like date, time, or file type. And the improved search, Microsoft says, works on photos in your pictures library that are saved locally and have been indexed. And that indexing they're referring to is the semantic indexing that works on Copilot Plus PC. So improved photo search with natural language and the Relight feature for better lighting, which are only rolling out for Copilot Plus PCs in the Insider program. And that is with the Photos app version 2025 11.060 5006.0. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.